Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to make hard reset for your SUUNTO Wing Open-Ear. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that press and hold multifunctional button on your left earbud for at least 5 seconds until this LED light is flashing 2 times. So I'm press and hold. 1, 2, and we have it. Now release your finger and you can remove your earbuds from the charging case. After that, we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device. And now we should turn off it. So press and hold the power button for at least 5 seconds to turn on it and then enter to pairing mode. Now we turn on it and then it starts flashing, so we enter to pairing mode. After that, click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!